Okie doke, so for the video today, I'm just gonna share with you two of my favorite sauces to have in the fridge. So the first sauce will be a Sriracha Mayo, and the second one will be a tahini-based sauce. Let's get started. So for the Sriracha Mayo, you can make your own mayonnaise, but I'm gonna take the easy way out today. I'm gonna just get my favorite mayonnaise and add Sriracha. Oh, by the way, these are, I think they're called FIFO or FIFO bottles for first in, first out. I think that's what they are. So anyway, I would highly recommend them. They're great to store upside down in the fridge. Approximately what will fit into those FIFO bottles will be about 2 cups. So to 2 cups of mayonnaise, I will add about, for myself, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of Sriracha. I love it spicy, creamy mayonnaise. So I'm just going to add about 2 cups of mayonnaise into there. I'm not always a big fan of being too accurate, even though you can never replicate the same thing twice, which is my husband's biggest complaint. And then we'll get the Sriracha Mayo. So I use this brand here, and I'll just add about 4 tablespoons. Once again, you can kind of guess it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's a lot. That's gonna burn. So basically, it's as simple as that. 2 ingredients, mayonnaise, a bit of Sriracha. When you're using it, you can always whisk in a little bit of lemon for a little bit of zing. It is gonna be easier if you put it into a Ziploc, snip the corner off and squeeze it into the bottle. You know, it will be a lot tidier, but I'm trying to reduce the amount of plastic that I use. So let's see if I can scrape it in. Hopefully I won't make too much of a mess. Okay, so we're on to the next sauce. The next sauce is a tahini-based sauce. So we're going to have mayonnaise, tahini, lemon juice, soy sauce, and garlic. The base recipe that I use, and then I will adjust it because all tahini paste and mayonnaise, all the ingredients will always taste a little bit different depending on the brand you buy. But I always base it on a ratio of 80, 60, 40, 20. 80 grams of mayonnaise, 60 grams of tahini paste, 40 grams or 40 mils of soy sauce, and 20 grams or 20 mils of lemon juice. And to that, I actually grate in 2 cloves of fresh garlic. But if you're worried about botulism and having sauces in the fridge, you can leave that out. It won't be as punchy, but it's still delicious. I always like to use a scale because it means I can just place the scale down, put my bowl on top. I can just tear it after adding each ingredient. I'm gonna get my mayonnaise, 80 grams. So this is actually that's almond butter. Oh my gosh, that was hard digging out my tahini paste. So the one that I'm using today is actually this one. I just picked it up from the local produce store. So if you find that it gets the oil on top, that's okay. I just use a chopstick and I just stir it about. Takes a little bit of muscle. Okay. Wow, that's not easy. So anyway, just do the best that you can. So we're gonna add 60 grams of this. Doesn't have to be exact because you're gonna adjust it anyway according to the flavor that you like. So set that aside. The next thing is the soy sauce. We're gonna go 40. So 40 mils will be about 40 grams. So lastly, got my lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, of course. I'm going to add 20 mils or 20 grams. So we're just gonna mix that all together. And then don't forget, you have to taste it. If you need it more acidic, add some more lemon juice. If you're finding that the tahini is like really intense and too flavorful, you can add some more mayonnaise. What was the other thing? Soy sauce. So soy sauce is if it's not salty or punchy enough. So just mix that through until all the lumps are gone. Have a little taste. That's delicious. Actually, I'd almost say it's too intense. I can really taste the soy sauce and I can really taste the tahini. Actually, mostly the soy sauce is left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise to dull down the flavor. So that's why I was saying, it's good to have a base recipe, but really it comes down to what you like. I think I want a little bit more lemon juice. I've got a little bit more lemon juice left in here. So I'm actually gonna add it because it could do with a little bit more tartness. Perfectamundo. This mixture, I've actually adjusted to about 110 grams of mayonnaise. It's going to be 60 grams of that tahini paste, 40 grams of soy sauce, and I've punched it up to about 30 mils of the lemon juice. So you can put that straight into a jar or into your FIFO bottle and put it into the fridge. But I'm gonna add my garlic. And like I said, you can leave this in or you can leave this out. So just give the bottle a little bit of a squeeze, screw the top on really tight. And there you have it. There you go, two of my favorite sauces to have in the fridge. Sriracha mayo and a tahini sauce with soy and lemon. Get them in your fridge. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. I'll be posting up more videos on some of my easy, delicious, simple cooking. All right, see you next time.